it is time to go and do the sparklers, and we've got somebody here. She's called Cherie, and if I just show you,
and I'm here too.
And if I just show you her, I'll just show. So there's Cherie, and if you want, she can have a little talk while I look after the baby.
Okay. Keep the camera still.
What do I do with the screen?
Lift it up.
How do I lift it up?
Right, pull the mirror up.
Oh.
Turn it up. Then turn it around.
Now you're on selfie mode.
Oh, hello. So I'm just here with Gracie Ann and with Kaza. Kazaline.
Caroline.
Yeah.
And it's bonfire night.
It's bonfire night. So we're going to go and do some sparklers. And then we're going to... Where are we going?
Bonfire.
To the bonfire.
She's the dad. I mean, he's
Oh, no,
the
that's
dad.
sweet.
I'm the mum, and she's the mean sister.
There's my head. What's happening, safety? Oh, for goodness sake. Right, I might light it myself. Actually, I should just light more like that, shouldn't I?
So we've just got the sparklers ready.
Right, I'm getting another lighter.
Sorry, Mama. Are you doing one? Josh? When is it now?
Hey!
Oh, you need to come outside. Door.
Write your name. Woo!
Here you go, Shazza.
Thanks, Kaza. Woohoo! Oh, thanks.
Write your name.
Try writing
Oh my god!
Josh, are you struggling there? Josh, write your name. Yeah, one sec.
Oh, I forgot how to spell my name.
Love my mummy.
No.
I love. Are you writing I love my?
Josh, you look a bit special.
Josh, are you gonna write?
Oh, was that thunder?
No.
Why?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Mmm, here we are.
Why is it
Why is what brown?
brown?
Started early. Woo. You have to say woo, don't you, when they go up? Right then.
I'm a princess.
All right,
You
okay.
can call me anything after my princess.
what did you think then?
Really good, guys.
Guys, it was really good, wasn't it?
It was really good, guys.
Guys, yeah. Now let's see. Oh, this is the wrong car park.
I think we can still get through.
Yeah. So what did you think then to Bonfire Night?
It was really good.